Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I received this UPCRATE box and I'm gonna show you what's inside the box and the code to get the 15% discount by clicking to the links and in comment section. Okay, let's start with this unboxing and then after that I will also draw something. Okay, let's go. Let's firstly open this kawaii box. Okay, this is the UPCRATE magazine. What a cool illustration, wow. I can't really wait to test this sketchbook. Stickers! Okay, it's time to open the mystery box. The mystery meow. What is inside? I will firstly show you what is inside this box and then I will explain you every art supply in detail later, because I will try it up to this sheet of paper of this sketchbook they sent to me. So we'll see and we'll talk about the quality of these art supplies. Okay, this is all what's inside the box. This paper looks so smooth, my gosh. What are we gonna do in this kawaii sheet of paper? We are gonna test all the art supplies so I can give you my personal opinion about them, and then after that I will do a drawing or many drawings, because I want to see how are these colors in a serious OP bombastic piece of artwork. Okay, let's go. Okay, the name of this pencil color is Sanguine 46. I'm seeing that these pencil colors are very high quality and I think they are wax based, I'm not sure, but I'm really seeing that they are very similar to the Brut Fuller color pencil or even the Arteza Expert. Yeah, I'm seeing that it's very similar and I think they're very good to blend even together. The name of this other pencil color is Yellow Ochre 27, and what to say, I don't want to repeat myself, so yeah, as you can see the color is very pigmented and it's working very good. This is the third pencil color I found inside the mystery box, and this is a dark violet 91. These pencil colors are available in open stocks as well as in a set, so feel free to buy them one by one to choose the color you like, or just buy a full set, or just buy this mystery box, why not? I am now finishing to test the markers. This is the chisel tip and this is the brush tip. Let's try this skin tone color, because I use the skin tone color as a lot, really a lot. And this is the ink pen I received. Let's see how it works. Just wow, that's so smooth. Oh my gosh, I'm sure I'm gonna have so much fun with this ink pen, guys. I'm not so good at lettering stuff or this or that, but what I wanna test here is to fulfill the space in between the lines to see how is the effect, and as you can see, it's perfect. Hi! Okay, let's open Le Plume White Pen. I think this is similar to Posca or a jelly ink pen, but in a very big size. Let's shake it and let's see how it works. Okay, I think we have to press it against the paper because the tip is made of plastic. And oops, yeah, cry baby, cry, cry. It also reminds me of the acrylic pens. Anyways, as you can see, the coverage is OP. It's very, very, very cool. And I don't know if you have noticed, I always use white ink pens, and honestly talking, I was needing a white ink pen because I waste them like in the speed of the light. So thank you, UPCRATE. This is all what's inside the box. So I'm going to show you the journal of the UPCRATE. As you can see, they give us some tips and tricks. They explain you the art supplies which are inside the box, and then there are some pages where the artist and the captain of the month give you. She looks like Billie Eilish. Anyways, yeah, these are the artworks of these artists. There are also some examples on how you can mix the art supplies, like mixed media. As you can see, you can read it here in the journal too. And then last but not last, there is always a monthly battle you can join, and the topic of this mystery box was mystical interaction. Anyways, let's continue, and let's start with my drawings. Let's be serious now. Let's go.
If I were to the sea, baby, I never say, for I would fall into the light. Every time I try to breathe, the moon will rise and carry me, for I've loved and I have died. So I won't hold back, and you should know that what's never gone just have regrets. So I won't go back. Oh, Lord, got me to forget the time I lost with no regrets. And the moon shine back again. And the moon shine back again. When I drove down to Abyss, while I blame the world's neglect, Lord, I shine right back again. Never reminded, never taking whatever you told me. I know what I could be. Making emotion paintable and so tell me, is this what you made me? Every time you bring me close.